I'm about to solder some wires between the alarm and the bypass to one of my vehicles. And I take out my solder and soldering iron. You see something really sad. Don't choke up. Radio Shack. Why'd you have to screw up? It was so good for many, many, many moons. Could get almost anything there. Then you decide to be a phone store. You really screwed it up. Come on. Phone store and a light computer / TV store. You know, you fell off the damn wagon. We already had plenty of those. You could have stayed doing what you did. Could have still been in business, but nope. So, oh well. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.